Using a 3mm Allen, loosen the rear fender screws. Remove the rear rack from the packaging. Remove the screws and nuts from the rear rack. Place the rack on top of the rear, lining up the screw holes and the rack. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, begin screwing the new screws back into the fender. Take the nuts and thread them into the bottom of the screws. Using a 8mm socket or wrench, tighten the nuts on the screws. Your new rack is now ready for adventure.